Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Gadget Directory. Today we've got something special for you. 5 clever Amazon gadgets that will take your kitchen game to the next level. Let's dive right in.
The Gadget Directory.
At number 1, we have Smart Coffee Maker with Alexa integration. Imagine waking up to the perfect cup of coffee, brewed with just your voice. This smart coffee maker, equipped with Alexa integration, allows you to control your brew with simple voice commands. Schedule your coffee for the morning, adjust the strength, and even get a weather update while you wait. It's like having a personal barista right in your kitchen. For our grill masters out there, this one's for you. A digital meat thermometer with Bluetooth connectivity ensures your meats are cooked to perfection. Simply insert the probe, connect it to your smartphone, and get real-time temperature updates. No more standing by the grill. You can monitor your food from a distance and impress your guests with flawlessly cooked dishes. Now, let's add a touch of creativity to your meals. This vegetable spiralizer comes with multiple blades, allowing you to turn ordinary veggies into impressive spirals. Whether you're looking to replace traditional pasta with zucchini noodles or add a twist to your salads, this gadget is a must-have for those who love to experiment in the kitchen. Next, we have Compact Herb Garden Kit with LED grow lights. Fresh herbs can elevate any dish, and with this compact herb garden kit, you can grow them right in your kitchen. Equipped with LED grow lights, this kit makes cultivating herbs a breeze. No need for a green thumb or an outdoor garden. Enjoy a year-round supply of fresh basil, mint, and more, all within arm's reach. Lastly, at number 5, let's talk about precision in the kitchen. Upgrade your traditional kitchen scale with a Bluetooth-enabled smart scale. Not only does it measure ingredients accurately, but it also syncs with your smartphone. Get real-time nutritional information based on the weight of your items and even receive recipe suggestions. It's like having a virtual sous chef guiding you through your culinary adventures. And there you have it. 5 clever kitchen gadgets that will revolutionize the way you cook. If you found something you liked, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more kitchen inspiration, and we'll see you in the next episode. Happy cooking!